Hello, hello, how are you there? Hello, young learners. Hello, future learners. Welcome to my classes. This is Ghada, and I am a professional and experienced teacher of English with a passion to help my students to grow and glow and love English language. I have worked for more than 15 years and I have taught a lot of young and adults to boost to their confidence and build strong communication skills and fall in love with English language. In my classes, we are not just going to deal with grammar and vocabulary, phrasal verbs and idioms, but we are going to go furthermore. My classes are full of interaction, conversation, creativity, and fun. We focus on real life speaking, current events, listening, and reading activities to make learning effective, engaging, and enjoyable. Whether you are preparing for exams or looking forward to improve speaking for work or for traveling, or you just want to feel more fluent in everyday English, I've got you covered. A lot of my students want to be prepared for IELTS exams, and we worked on this, on the listening, on the reading, on the speaking task, and even on the writing task, and they all got perfect results. Other students want to be prepared for job interviews, and they were all trained to get the perfect results. Join my professional English classes today and discover how learning English can be exciting, empowering, and absolutely achievable. Let's learn together. And always remember, when there is a will, there is always a way to do what we want to achieve. And we are always up to it. So start today. Can't wait to meet you in class. Break a leg. Bye.